Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a staff account to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you're not already. So go right here to shopify.com, and once you open it up, the main page you're going to be greeted by in the upper right corner, you can go ahead and log into your Shopify account. So if you do not already have one, you can go ahead and sign up for one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with setting up our store and managing all the store sections we have right here on the left side of the screen. So to be able to add a staff account, this is what we want to do. Go ahead and find the settings options right here at the bottom left corner of the screen. By clicking on the settings, this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu from where we can get started with managing all the settings regarding our store. And one of the options right here is going to be called users. This is what you want to open up. In the users tab, you can now go ahead and get started with adding users to your store. So by clicking this button right here that says add users, you're going to go ahead and be able to add a new user. And here you have roles that you can assign roles to grant users actions. You're going to have administrators, app developers, online store editors, and so on. So you can select whichever staff you want right here, and you can go and even create a new role that you can give them, enter in their email right here to add them, and then you're going to go and be able to find them in the role section right here. And that is how it's done and how to add new staff to your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching today's one. I hope to see you next one, and bye.